The question given here, a rectangular block 2 meter long, 1 meter wide and 1 meter deep floats in water. The depth of immersion being 0.5 meter. If water weighs 10 kN, that is kilonewton per cubic meter, then the weight of the block is, options are given here, for A 5 kN, for B 10 kN, for C 15 kN and for D 20 kN. We know weight of the block equal to displaced volume of fluid into specific weight. So here displaced volume is the length, wide 1 meter wide, and the depth of immersion 0.5 into the specific weight given here, that is 10 kN per cubic meter 10. So after multiplication we get 10 kN. So correct option here B. B is the correct option.